help you with a trio, unfortunately. Oh, thank you, JK. Thank you. Thank you. Nana and myself are not going to fit your bill. Actually, I'll tell you who does need a trio is X. Needs an extra person. Because he asked me to play. For EU. Actually, Robster, I playing with you for EU today on a late start or not? Hugo mentioned it yesterday. I don't know. I am. Okay. I don't know. Where are we landing? You need to tell me where I'm landing. We had a good strat going with the other one. Because Helms dropped you. No, she didn't drop you. Yeah, on the map. Well, I don't know. Sort of like out here. My strat was actually really good. And when you look at all the stats from Osarian, our spot had the least amount of people landing there. So don't say we didn't do our research. No, it's only because she hasn't got the number of tournaments. I still need to find someone for Middle East anyhow. Probably I need to put a note on my thing. Need one for Middle East. But she can't play Div 3 though. Alexis, when she can play? Really? What, you want to play Middle East with Nana and me? You're not working today then? Okay. Cool. I mean, basically around this area, near this area. Just don't land metal. You can take maximum 3 days with one sick note, really. Are you all sick then? That's kind of scuffed. You only get one flopper. Taking all three. Ah, okay. Okay, no, I'll be good. I'll send you, what I was doing. productive? Not really. I was